everyone. Welcome back to Millennials Matter. And if you're here for the first time, welcome. We're not talking about fleeting trends or the latest crypto hype today. We're diving into the bedrock of wealth, the 5 assets that have consistently held their value, often for centuries. Forget the noise, forget the volatility. We're talking about timeless investments that weather storms and build legacies. Let's get into it and be sure to watch until the very end to find out what the number 1 best timeless asset is. Number 1, land. The unyielding foundation and the power of scarcity. It's the original asset, and for good reason. They aren't making any more of it. Unlike stocks or digital currencies, land is a finite resource. It's the foundation upon which civilizations are built, and its value is intrinsically tied to population growth and development. Think about it. Prime agriculture land, strategically located commercial plots, or even untouched wilderness. These assets hold a unique power. They are tangible, they provide resources, and they are essential. They are also immune to the digital world. You can't hack a field. It's not just about owning land, it's about understanding its context. They understand the future potential of a piece of land. They look at population trends, infrastructure development, and resource availability to predict future value. They understand that land is more than just dirt, it's a strategic resource. How to invest. Research local development plans, consider long-term population growth, and explore niche land markets like timberland or recreational properties. Number 2, precious metals. The store of value and the hedge against chaos. Gold, silver, platinum, these metals have been prized for their beauty and durability for millennia. Unlike paper currency, precious metals have intrinsic value. They've used in industry, jewelry, and technology, and they act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Think about it. When markets crash and currencies crumble, precious metals often hold their value or even increase in price. They are a tangible store of wealth and a symbol of stability. It's not just about buying bullion, it's about understanding the industrial demand. They track the use of precious metals in emerging technologies and industries to identify long-term growth potential. They understand that the demand for these metals will only increase as the world becomes more technologically advanced. How to invest. Diversify your holdings. Consider physical bullion versus ETFs, and stay informed about industrial demand trends. Number 3, fine art. The cultural legacy and the power of rarity. Masterpieces of art aren't just decorative, they're cultural artifacts and they appreciate over time. Unlike mass-produced items, fine art is unique and irreplaceable. It's a tangible expression of human creativity and history. Think about it. A Rembrandt painting, a Michelangelo sculpture, or a rare Chinese vase. These pieces are not just investments, they're legacies. They tell stories, they inspire awe, and they are coveted by collectors worldwide. They are also a symbol of prestige. It's not just about buying art, it's about understanding its provenance. They research the history of a piece, its artist, and its cultural significance to assess its long-term value. They understand that the story behind a piece is just as important as the piece itself. How to invest. Work with reputable art dealers, focus on established artists, and understand the importance of provenance. Number 4, intellectual property, the evergreen asset, and the power of innovation. Patents, copyrights, trademarks, these intangible assets can generate recurring income for decades. Unlike physical assets, intellectual property can be duplicated and licensed indefinitely. It's the foundation of innovation and creativity. Think about it. A groundbreaking medical patent, a timeless musical composition, or a globally recognized brand. These assets generate royalties and licensing fees for years. They are the seeds of future revenue. It's not just about owning IP, it's about understanding its market potential. They research emerging technologies and consumer trends to identify valuable IP opportunities. They understand that the right IP can be a gold mine. How to invest? Invest in companies with strong IP portfolios. Research emerging technologies and consider licensing opportunities. Number 5, established businesses, the engines of growth and the power of systems. Proven, well-managed businesses with established track records can generate consistent returns over the long term. Unlike startups, established businesses have weathered economic storms and built robust systems. They have a proven track record of profitability and growth. Think about it. A blue chip company with a strong brand, a reliable supply chain, and a loyal customer base. These businesses generate consistent dividends and appreciate in value. They are the engines of the economy. It's not just about buying stocks, it's about understanding the business model. They research the company's management, its competitive advantage, and its long-term growth potential. They understand that a well-run business is a powerful asset. How to invest? Focus on companies with strong fundamentals, diversify your portfolio, and understand the industry landscape. These 5 assets aren't about getting rich quick. They're about building lasting wealth that endures. They're about understanding the fundamentals of value and investing in things that stand the test of time. What timeless assets are you investing in? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building lasting wealth.